So this is it. I don't even know what it looks like because I just put the towel on it without looking. What's up everybody, it's Tony aka Natural Boss, and I'm back with another video. This is not going to be a product review, for real. This time I am going to be just showing you guys a process that I'm going to be doing in my hair. What I'm going to be doing is removing the color. I know that might sound crazy to some people, but some of you have probably heard of this product, and it's called Color Oops. So this product does not, it's not dye, it's not bleach, it doesn't contain bleach, it doesn't even contain ammonia. Actually, I don't really know what it contains, but I have used this before. And this stuff, what this does is it removes artificial color. So if you dyed your hair and say you didn't like the color that it was, you can remove it. If you've dyed your hair over and over again and it was too dark and you want to try to make it lighter again, you can use this to remove the dark color. It just has all kinds of things you can do with this, but basically it kind of takes your hair, if your hair was dark, wait, how do I say this? If your hair was colored to a darker color, this probably won't take your hair back to your original natural hair color. It will just remove the dark color, and that's probably what's going to happen to mine. For other situations and scenarios, you kind of can take your hair back to its normal color, but not with mine because my hair is darker. Anyway, I'm gonna do a voiceover on this video because it's just going to be me applying this stuff and then showing you guys the results, and it's going to be probably pretty boring. No, I'm just playing, but I have to keep my window open because one thing I will tell you guys is this product stinks really bad, and so I live in a metropolitan area and I can hear cars and stuff and it's just really noisy, so I'm just going to do a voiceover for this one. I'll just tell you the quick little steps right now. What it comes with is it comes with a pair of those cheap plastic gloves that usually come in a box dye. Number one, number two, you pour number one into number two, shake for 30 seconds, apply to your hair, leave on for 20 minutes with a plastic cap. Then you wash and shampoo your hair, and then you rinse your hair for 20 minutes, and they really stress that you do need to do it for 20 minutes, and then you like shampoo and rinse again, and then you condition your hair, something like that. But anyway, one of the keys is actually rinsing your hair for 20 minutes, because if you don't, what this product does is it makes some kind of, I'll explain it later or put it in the description, but it makes some kind of molecules or something smaller, but then the point is after that you're supposed to rinse it out. And so if you don't rinse it, all the color out completely from your hair will just get darker again over time, and so it just would have been a waste of time. I will let you know I have used this product before. I've actually used it 2 or 3 times. This is not how I damaged my hair when I had all the color fiascos and stuff. This is when I did the bleaching. After this is what actually I feel damaged my hair. Also, another thing I want to let you guys know, it's been a while. It's been a minute since I made a video. My hair is back on the track of being healthy again, so I'm not just like, oh, I'm healthy now and I'm gonna ruin it with some chemicals. Part of the natural hair community can hate me if they want to. I like color in my hair, and I don't like my hair real dark, and that's my life. That's just the way it's gonna be. And if I have to cut my hair off because I color it, then I'll just have to cut it off. I rather have colored hair the way I like it and shorter than have really long hair and just have some boring dark brown or black color. I just don't like that on me. So I mean, that could change like in a couple months, I don't know, but for now I like color, so this is what I'm gonna do. So anyway, let's get this party started. Oh, that's it. It came with, did I tell you guys it came with the kind of gloves, you know, that you peel off like from a box dye? I don't even know. Yeah, I guess I'll use these. Oh, it came with a plastic cap for your hair too. I didn't even realize that. But anyway, so yeah, it comes with everything that you need. So anyway, let's get this party started. When applying this product, you definitely want to start off with your hair already pre-sectioned, just so you can move as quickly as possible. And as you can see, you apply it just like you would apply like a box dye or like any type of dye to your hair. And you definitely want to make sure that you get it on the parts of your hair where you want the color to be removed. If you don't want the color to be removed, don't apply it to that section of your hair. The product is clear, but on the instructions it says that it could stain your clothes, so I highly recommend wearing a raggedy t-shirt like I did so that you don't ruin your clothes. And also I would have a towel or something close by. Truthfully, if I wasn't making this video, I probably would have just did this in the bathroom in the first place, but I decided to do it in my room and just try to be really careful not to get it on my carpet. On the instructions, they say to do it somewhere where cold air or cool air is not blowing on you, like basically like a fan or air conditioning. So because the smell is so bad, I recommend being in a room where you could at least have the window open though, because being trapped in a room with this smell is not going to be good. So don't have the air conditioning on, but do have a window open if possible. So I was going to do the back of my hair, but then I decided that it didn't really need this product because it's lighter in the back of my hair and the dark part is just virgin hair, so it doesn't really need this product. Okay, so after I finished applying it, obviously I sat for 20 minutes. They say do no longer than 20 minutes. Then you rinse your hair and shampoo for 5 minutes. And then after that, you rinse your hair for 15 to 20 minutes. And then you shampoo your hair again and then rinse for 5 minutes, and you repeat that 2 to 3 times. So it's a pretty long process, and like my water was cold by the time I was done. So this is it. I don't even know what it looks like because I just put the towel on it without looking. Okay, yes, it did exactly what I wanted to do. Now, I was trying to explain to you guys, I was reading the instructions and trying to do my best to explain to you guys, if your hair was darker, which mine was colored too dark, it's not going to remove the dark and make your hair back to its normal color, and it's not even going to make it like blonde or anything like that. What it's going to do is make it a brassy, orangey looking color. And every single person I've seen a video doing this is what happens. This is what happens when I did this several years ago. It makes your hair like this orangey color, which doesn't look too bad, but this is not what I wanted my hair to look like. I'm actually going to color my hair again, and I'm going to do a video on that in the next couple weeks. But this is not what I wanted, but I actually like this better than it just being dark brown, almost looking black. So this is kind of like fine to me. I actually might even just rock this for a little while. I don't know, who knows. Now what I will, here's a disclaimer, and I don't know if this happens to everybody. My hair feels very dry. After you finish all those shampoos and rinses, you're supposed to follow up with a conditioner, and anybody with common sense will follow up with a conditioner, because after all that washing and rinsing and stuff and all those chemicals, that's something that you definitely want to do. I have not done the conditioner part, so my hair is very dry. I'm pretty sure I can get it to bounce back though, so I'm not really worried about that. But yeah, I'm actually happy with the results. You guys see my hair is no longer dark, and I'm gonna try to do a side by side in this video so you can see, you can compare how dark it was. And if you notice that I might do this part in the voiceover, so I might be repeating myself. In the back, I did not apply. I started to apply some of the color oops, but then I changed my mind because the back is fine. Like this right here is just my virgin hair, and this is where it had been lightened, so I didn't really need to do anything with that. It was the front that I was more concerned about. And also a word of caution, since this stuff processes like, it's not bleach, but it will start lightening your hair, kind of maybe like bleach. I recommend, if you're going to do your whole head, to do the front first and then the back, or either do the back first and then the front. Don't start here and then go here and then go here and then go there, because it's better to have the front lighter than the back than to have one side lighter than the other side. That doesn't look right. So that's just a tip I would give. And also, just to let you know, I bought 2 boxes of this and I only ended up using 1, but had I decided to do my whole head, the back and everything, I would have needed 2 boxes. So just keep that in mind if you have a lot of hair. If your hair is like shoulder length or shorter, I think just 1 box will do the trick, even if you do your whole head. But anyway, so I'm gonna follow up with conditioner. So this is it. I just want to show you guys this process, how I remove the dark color from my hair. It's not, besides making my hair dry right now, this process is not damaging at all. They say if you don't get the desired results, you can do it like 2 more times or something like that. That's not really, I did that before. It's not something that I really recommend. Although they say it's safe, I wouldn't do it. If I were you, I would at least wait maybe a couple months before doing something like that. But That's just my opinion. Or there's also other color removers. I know Ion or some brand at Sally Beauty Supply has one. I think some other people have one. You can buy these at Target or whatever. You know, I order mine from Amazon. But let me know what your results are if you've used any kind of color remover product. And also, I'm not gonna tell you guys what color I'm gonna dye my hair. It's not gonna be anything outrageous like blue or anything like that. But I am gonna be coloring my full head of hair in the next couple weeks, so stay tuned for that. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you in the next one.